Hello, and welcome to this tutorial. Today I'll guide you step by step on how to set up Netmodsyna VPN on your PC and configure it for SOCKS5 settings. I'll explain everything in detail, so even if you're a beginner, you can follow along without any trouble. To start, we need to download the Netmodsyna VPN. Open any browser on your laptop, type UDP Custom into the search bar, and press Enter. This will show you the search results. Look for the official UDP Custom website and click on it to open the homepage. On the homepage, if you're on a mobile device, you'll see a menu icon. If you're on a PC or a laptop, you'll find a menu bar at the top. Click on Top VPN List from the menu. This will take you to a page where you'll see a variety of VPN options. Scroll down the list until you reach the PC VPN section. Here, look for Netmodsyna VPN for PC. Once you find it, click on the Download button. Wait for the file to download. It might take a few seconds, depending on your internet speed. Now that the file is downloaded, open your file manager and navigate to the Downloads folder. Look for the setup file for Netmodsyna VPN. Double-click on it to begin the installation process. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation. The process is simple and should only take a minute or two. Once installed, you'll see a shortcut for Netmodsyna VPN on your desktop. Next, double-click the shortcut to launch the VPN. On the home screen, click on the plus button to add a new profile. This will open a list of protocols supported by Netmodsyna VPN. Today, we'll configure the SOCKS5 protocol. Select SOCKS5 from the list and you'll see two fields, one for the server IP and one for the port number. These are necessary to set up the connection. Now, return to the UDP Custom website. This time, click on SOCKS5 server in the menu. A list of servers will appear. Choose one from the list that is closest to your location for the best performance. Copy the server IP address and the port number. Go back to the Netmodsyna VPN app and paste the server IP and port number into the respective fields. Double-check the information to make sure there are no mistakes. Once you've entered the details, save the profile by clicking on the Save button. Now, click on the profile you just saved and then tap on the Connect button. The VPN will establish a connection in just a few seconds. To verify the connection, you can check your IP address. Use the built-in IP check feature in the VPN app or visit a website like What is my IP to confirm that your IP has changed. And that's it. You've successfully set up Netmodsyna VPN on your PC with the SOCKS5 protocol. This setup helps you browse more securely and privately. In the next video, I'll show you how to configure other protocols available in Netmodsyna VPN for even more features. Thank you for watching this tutorial.